lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to ombre your lips. So if you want to really learn how to ombre your lips, then keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So leave a comment in the comment section so I'll know what you think about the video and all the suggestions as well. So keep watching this video. So to start, I'll be using my brush, my powder brush, to dust off my lips and remove the oil from my lips. So after that, I'll be using a darker shade of chocolate color and applying my to sculpt around the lips. I'll be using my beauty brush. So I'll be starting with my lower lip. I'll be lining it downwards round my lip. Just trying to make sure it doesn't touch other parts of my face, just my lip. So I'll go ahead to apply the upper part of my lip as well. See, I'm starting from the middle of my lip. I'll apply it around as well. So I'll be blending my lips together so it will mix well. You know, it's ombre, not just I'm going to apply another color. You know, ombre is when another color fades to another one. A darker shade fades to a lighter shade. So that is what we're going to do. I'll be applying a lighter shade. That's practically orange color. I'll be applying it in the middle of my lips. I'll be applying a moderate quantity. To my lip. So after that, I'll use my beauty brush to blend it again so that make the look faded and not so separated. See what I'm doing? I'm blending it into my lips, mixing it with the other shade. Just want to make it bright, so I'm adding more quantity of a lighter shade to my lip again, and I'll be blending it once more. So I'm using my chocolate or darker shade again, the same shade I used earlier, the one I started with, to try to underline my lip once more because the lighter one took over everything. So I'll try to make it a bit brighter. Now blend it in again. Hope you can see how it's faded now. There's no difference. So I'm using my foundation color to highlight my lips, like to just clean my lip where there are extras, where my lipstick is touching my skin. So I'll just clean it up and Because I am dark, the lipstick is not showing that much, but that's exactly how to do it. So thanks for watching this video. I guess the video was helpful. Do subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment also in the comment section so I will know what you think about the video. Bye.